Welcome dear children. Standard 7, subject General Knowledge. Children, today we are going to discuss our quiz number 23. Let's begin. Our first topic, literature. In that, match the following. Now here the words are given in column A with their meanings in column B. We have to match the words with their meanings. Now first is benevolent. Benevolent means charitable. Fraudulent means dishonest. Shallow means not deep. Voracious means greedy in eating. Insipid means lacking in taste. Scrutinize means examine closely. Next, take the right word to be used in the sentence. First, the dentist recommended a good mouthwash for bad breath. Second, she did not speak aloud for the whole audience to hear. Third, the dress she wanted to wear for the party was not ready. I would have come with you had you asked. Next, mathematics and science. Take the right choice. The color of the soil is red because of the presence of iron oxide in the soil. The color of the soil is black because of remains of dead animals and plants. Third, soil that can hold water is known as porous soil. Fourth, when the shopkeeper sells a commodity for less than the price marked on it, the difference is said to be a discount. The rate of discount is always expressed as a concession on every 100, as percentage is counted on rupees 100. Next, those who are engaged in selling and buying for others get a certain percentage for their efforts, which is known as commission. Next, social studies. In that, with the help of the words in the box, fill in the blanks with the term which matches the description of the form of government. Now, the first, government of the people, for the people and by the people, is called democracy. Second, government in the hands of the single king or queen is monarchy. Next, government under the control of a single person is dictatorship. A form of government where a group of people have all the power, that is oligarchy. Next, a system of government by priestly class is called the theocracy. Next, now general. In this we have to identify the signs of the zodiac with the help of the clues. Now the first clue is the scorpion. It indicates zodiac sign of Cancer. Next is lion. It states Leo. Next, image of fish. It indicates Pisces. Next, balance. It shows Libra sign. Last but not the least, a male and a female is a sign of Gemini. I hope children you all have got it. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care everyone. Bye.